Hey guys, Jesser is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company, and in this video I would like to answer this interesting question that I received: how to start a restaurant in China, foreign-owned restaurant. Okay, of course it's a natural question. You know, most of the foreigners being abroad, they don't have any connections in China. And obviously, it's really hard to find a reliable partner, a local partner in China, business partner. And without living in the country and spending some time in the country, it's next to impossible, basically. So in this case, can you start a restaurant or a cafe in China? Of course, it's very much possible. Just like starting any business, it's possible to start your own restaurant in China. How to do it? Uh, it's pretty much the procedure is pretty much the same as registering a company in China, because you have to register a company. And then for the restaurant, in this case, restaurant or cafe, you have to register a restaurant management company. Okay, that is, if you translate the Chinese words into English, it will be a restaurant or cafe management company. Okay, it can be WFOE, wholly foreign-owned enterprise, and just in restaurant or in cafe. Okay, in this field. And so when you register a company, when you register this type of company, you will have your general business license. Okay, the procedure is the same with trading WFOE or consulting WFOE or any other type of WFOE, except for manufacturing and freight forwarding. These are a little bit different, but generally speaking, restaurant management WFOE is done just like trading WFOE. Of course, there will be difference in documentation. We can help you with that. So once it's registered, you will have your general business license, and then after that, you will have to apply for food and beverage license. Okay, that is additional license, and it takes from getting your general business license and getting your food and beverage license, it takes around 2 months, okay, to get all these licenses. It can be less. I'm just a little exaggerating here, just to make sure that you have enough time, because sometimes it can be longer. That's why 2 months, but sometimes it can be done quicker than that. So that is the case. Once you get your food and beverage license, you can start your own restaurant in China. Okay. Of course, we're not going to touch the costs here, because the costs can be different depending on your location and depending on even the cities, because not all the cities in China have the same costs and expenses. For example, in Shanghai, prices are really high than in Wuhan, for example, or smaller than in smaller cities. And just like other types of WFOE, you will be required to have an office first. I'm not talking about your restaurant space, I'm talking about your company office. Okay, so we can help you with that as well. And you're required to have an office in an office building, okay, not in a residential building. By law, it's not it's not allowed. Okay, only the office building is allowed to register under a company. So and once you get your licenses, you can start renting a space for your restaurant. Okay, and in the law, there are requirements in terms of size of the space for the restaurant. And if you need any help with that, or if you want to register a restaurant or start a restaurant business in China, you can always contact us. We can help you with that. So, as I mentioned before, these are our WeChat accounts. First one individual, second one official page of our company. Please download WeChat if you don't have one and scan these QR codes using your mobile phone. And after that, you will be adding our accounts. And the second one you can just follow, okay, just to stay up to date with the current laws and requirements of doing business in China. And you can also send us an email or call us. Okay, thank you.